Good morning, AP Physics 1 students. Thank you all for watching this short video on how to join the AP classroom. So first you're going to sign in by going to myapcollegeboard.org, or you can go to collegeboard.org/join a class. If this is your first time in, it might bring you to this page and you'll need to create an account. And if you do, you're going to click that you're a student, and it'll prompt you for some information, okay? Once you're in, click Join a Course or Exam. Our section name is AP Physics C Block, and our join code is 292X6W. So once you get in, great job, that's all you need to do. Please do that by next Monday. And just a note to get on your calendar, our exam day is May 5th, 2021. So if you're taking the exam, let me know, and you can mark that on your calendar. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the remote or real world. Bye.